Causes behind the transmission make clunking noise in Mini Cooper by St. Mary's Mechanic. Transmission is an essential component for every four-wheeler going on the road. When the transmission has failed, it may lead to major damages and costly repairs. It's important to get the necessary repairs as soon as possible to prevent further damages. Due to numerous reasons, the transmission of the Mini is making the clunking noise. Below points to find the causes behind clunking noise produced from the transmission of Mini. Too low or old transmission fluid. Transmission fluid provides sufficient lubrication to shift the gears smoothly in Mini. When the fluid is too low or old, it will affect the lubrication as well as make clunking noise. Internal component problems. For the smooth functioning of the transmission, it contains several components such as bearings, springs, gears. If any of these components are damaged, then you will hear a clunking noise while starting. Failed sensors. Now the transmission of modern cars is controlled by computerized sensors. When the sensors send incorrect shifting or speed information, it can occur clunking noise. Loose engine mounts. If the engine mounts become loose in your Mini Cooper, you may hear a clunking noise. Transmission will produce the sound due to the sudden movement of engine mount, such as sudden change in speed, shifting gears unexpectedly. Conclusion. In general, the transmission noises are actually caused by damaged universal joints. So, when you will hear clunking noise from the Mini, bring it to a mechanic for fixing it. Thank you.